What sparked the vision for Coretus, and how does LeoBrain bring it to life?
The vision was to move away from DevSecOps models and become a strategic tech partner. We saw enterprises struggling with execution, needing not just code but intelligent solutions. LeoBrain, our AI-powered ATS, brings this to life. It proves we don't just talk about enterprise AI, we build products that solve massive operational bottlenecks. LeoBrain turned this hiring mess into a streamlined, intelligent process, perfectly demonstrating our ability to engineer a business outcome.
The market is crowded. What sets Coretus apart?
Most firms are order takers starting from scratch every time. We are partners. Our differentiator is our microservice accelerators. We use pre-built, secure components for core 30 to 40% of development. This saves budget and allows us to focus entirely on your unique business logic and AI integration. We combine this with a strict DevSecOps mindset, delivering security and speed that generalist agencies simply cannot match.
Is AI here to replace the recruiter or empower them?
It is strictly here to empower. You cannot automate cultural fit or empathy. We build LeoBrain to strip away the data drudgery with AI parsing, screening, and scheduling. By automating the repetitive 80% of the tasks, we free recruiter to focus on human side, building relationship and closing candidates.
If you started over today, what is the one thing that you'd do differently?
I would have specialized sooner. Early on, we took a generalist approach to fuel growth. If I started today, I would position Coretus strictly as an AI and security specialist from day one. The market from general coding is a race to bottom. The market for specialized, high-stake engineer is where the real value lies.
Let's fast forward to 10 years. What does Coretus look like?
We will be the global standard for enterprise AI enablement for clients worldwide. I see Coretus not just a service provider, but an architect of digital nervous systems for Fortune 500 companies. Our microservice accelerator will be the industry benchmark for how secure, scalable enterprise platforms are built.
What is the one piece of advice you'd give to aspiring founders?
Stop selling hours and start selling value. Success is not about how much you work, it's about systems and intellectual properties you build. Don't create a job for yourself. Create a scalable asset, and remember, resilience or speed. Overnight success usually takes a decade of quiet hard work.